Hello, Michael Kinsler here again, moving on to the next part of our shopping cart. So we're into appearance settings set again, and we're into edit site headers, text and images. So we click on that. And this is a great feature. And basically what you can do is, from the top here, working down the way, you can actually click on this and it will bring up a little web page. And what you can do is then is, if you want to change or add extra to your buttons and stuff, you can actually click on these, download the image, right click, save as, and you can take all those images. And that's a handy little feature. I don't use it myself, but that's a handy little feature. Moving on, set header as background image. Now you don't want to do that, but you can do that as well. I haven't done it. I've just set black on my websites. Now the checkout, I haven't uploaded any products yet, so I'm just going to show you this quickly. The checkout buttons you can change around, and there's a whole host of them in there, quite a number, so you can actually use them as well. I'll just leave it at default, which is that one there. Now choose language to edit. Now it just goes on to English, so it's English only on this website. Now you see in here where you have the categories, that name there. Now what you can do is you can put an image in there instead of what you have there. So if I scroll down, I can change my box headers. So let's look at categories, box header. So I browse for one. Now I've actually chosen an image here that's fairly small. I'm actually going to use the 3G resized, and I'll show you how to get that software now. And basically it's in there now. Save the changes, and I'll show you what that does on the website. And what I do is I refresh, and you'll see an image come up in here, and that's now become categories. And you can do this for every one of these. Okay, so each one is named in here, you can change. So that's what you can do in there. So if you want to take that out, just delete it, the image, and press OK. And then you save the changes. Save the changes. And that's you basically done. If you refresh it again, and you will see now the name categories will actually come back up again. So there you go. That's how you change that. Fairly straightforward. No ifs or buts on it. Now the image resizer. Now go into Google and type in image resize free and take down blue5.pair.com. And what you do is, when you click on that web page, this is a free image sizer, and basically what you have is you download this version here, 2.2 megs, and I've downloaded it myself and installed it. So I'll show you what that looks like. So we just bring it up, and there it is there, and this is how it works. So basically then you've got an image. So we need to load up an image, and you can change the size of it from here, and you can do a custom as well. You can change it to JPEG, and the JPEG is quite good. I would recommend that. So you load a picture in, just press load. Pick your one here. So I've actually picked out this one here, the 3G. So there you go, shows me the picture, and I want to change it to say 75%, 50%, 33%, or 25%. So I'll go with 33%. And then you do is save the picture. It'll ask you where to save it. You save it, and that's it done. And then if you load the picture back in again, just to show you, there it is there. And that's the size of it, 10.3 kilobits. Original size, you see it now, 73.2 kilobits. So it saves your web page will come up faster if you resize your images. So that's basically how that's done. Okay, we'll move on to the next one.